Okay, hi. So I'm going to talk you through what you're going to do for the baking soda bath for your pretzels. I'm going to be using full-size pretzels today. I know that in this class we do both the bite size and the full size. It literally works the exact same way, so no problem there. So in class we've got our big pot boiling. You should have either your little bites measured out or your full-size ones ready to go. And I have on the stove, I have 9 cups of water and a half of a cup of baking soda together. Needs to be at a boil. If it's not at a boil, pause this and come back when it is. The other thing we need out is a slotted spoon. That's any kind that has holes in it. We're gonna use this to sort of fish it out. Actually, if you're using the full-size pretzel, you may wanna use a big spatula. It might be easier. The big thing about this is we only want to do it for 10 to 15 seconds. If we get it longer than that, it starts to have a metallic taste, which is unpleasant and we don't want. So it's really gonna go in. If you're doing the little bites, you can kind of stir them around a little bit so that they tumble on both sides. If you're doing the full pretzel, at about 7 seconds, I just take it and flip it, just to make sure that both sides get it. What is this doing? It is giving us that sort of skin on the outside of our pretzel, as opposed to like a crust that you would see on a regular bread. The other thing is it's helping lock in our shape. So it's doing 2 things today. 10 to 15 seconds, put it back on your sheet. If your sheet gets very watery, you can either take a clean dish towel or you can take a paper towel and sort of blot it before it goes in the oven. Now for the pretzel bites, we were cooking them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. For your big pretzels, it's gonna be a little bit longer. See the notes in the classroom for that. I normally do it more like 16 to 18 minutes for the big ones. Okay? So make sure this is at a boil. Be careful about putting this in the water. It is boiling hot water. If you need to kind of lower it in, you can do it that way, or you can gently drop it. You may need an adult to help you with this step depending on your skill level. For the pretzel bites, you probably only want to do 10 at a time. For full-size pretzel, you can do about 3. And they are going to kind of puff up a bit as they cook. It's normal, that's the way they're supposed to. I'm going to go ahead and flip mine. And then I'm going to give it about another 7 seconds in there. I'm going to take it out. Again, I'm going to immediately put salt on it. If you're doing a cinnamon sugar recipe today, don't do the salt, just skip it. You'll, after the pretzels come out of the oven, put the cinnamon sugar on. Look at these beauties. They got a lot bigger, didn't they? That's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, salt time. All right, it's going in the oven. So since these are big size, probably more like 16 to 18 minutes. Mini ones will be, the little bites will be 15, okay? All right, good job today.